Hold up. We ain't Simba.
Key features of our home. Smiley face. First floor.
The reason behind the triple garage is not so much about storing 3 cars at a time. Having the extending 3 meters that the triple garage provides, where a double garage couldn't, means a 3-story house has a flow that mimics the slope of the hill. Each floor has a 3-meter difference in length from the floor below.
This equal 3-meter difference provides a balance to the aesthetics of the house, as well as providing outdoor living area for floors 2 and 3. This 3-meter difference starts with the triple garage.
Tesla Powerwalls. A Tesla Powerwall is an incredibly efficient battery for storing electricity collected from the solar driveway outside the garage.
We chose to include the large double 1 meter wide doors on the left side of the workshop because the workshop is a room that requires plenty of ventilation and easy access. In the workshop there is a polished concrete floor for the thermal mass, providing warmth in this morning room during the evening.
The walls behind the staircases will be tromba walls, which are a specifically designed thermal mass feature. During the day, these walls will be exposed to direct sunlight. The sun's heat is absorbed and then radiated into the home as the temperature cools at night. This house will be made from as many locally sourced materials as possible to make it connected to the land. All concrete used will be eco-concrete, which is recycled concrete. It will be insulated underneath with carbon neutral insulation, as well as being set in the hill, meaning that it will be cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The house is set behind a series of retaining walls to hold back the earth.
Key features of our home. Smiley face. Second floor. Our house is designed around the concept of passive solar energy. It is north facing, and every living space inside has curved triple glazed glass walls to ensure that overall the house utilizes the maximum amount of the sun's passive solar energy, capturing as much light and heat as possible.
Each room is in a specific part of the house for a reason. Curtains will be available to be drawn on every level so they can be used to prevent either too much heat intake or to stop heat escaping. Curtains will also be used for providing comfort and privacy to our living spaces and bedrooms.
The short overhangs on the east side of all 3 floors is to maximize the heat intake of the morning sun. The long overhangs on the west side of the house are to prevent the house from overheating in the evening.
The sliding doors on either side will provide airflow to regulate the building's temperature during summer.
All lighting in our home will either be done by the sun during the day, through our glass walls and solar tubes, or by LED energy efficient bulbs, which produce more light with less energy than standard bulbs. Time switches will be placed in rooms not used for long lengths of time, for example, laundry, bathroom and toilet. Included in our house are solar tubes, to provide plenty of pure, free light to these places without windows. Solar tubes would reduce the cave-like feel these rooms would otherwise have. Behind our fireplace, we will have a wetback to provide an alternative hot water heating system when there is no sun to heat the solar hot water.
All drains, such as shower and dishwasher drains, will have shower drain heat exchangers. These living spaces are all connected to provide a brilliant atmosphere with an amazing hillside view. The evening and morning light will be able to hit both the lounge, dining and kitchen.
Key features of our home. Smiley face. Third floor.
Concealed inside the hill will be a rainwater tank. This is where we will store the rainwater collected from the gutters on the roof. The water collected from inside the rainwater tank will be filtered, then used in household appliances such as the washing machine, toilets and laundry basin tap. Once used, the grey water will be pumped out to the trees and used as irrigation.
The trees on the property will greatly contribute to the aesthetics and eco-friendliness of the house, but they are also for holding the soil together around the house and prevent landsliding. They will also break up the cold southerly winter winds.
With the solar tubes, these rooms will be lit naturally brightly all day.
There would be doors and sliding doors in every room to provide ventilation in the summer. It would also be well insulated for winter. The curves are a large part of the house's aesthetics. They would also help with the strong winds breaking them up smoothly. The chimney from the second floor extends through the third floor to add an extra heating source.
Overall, our house is our mix of maximising passive solar usage, sustainability, energy efficiency, eco-friendliness, thermal mass, practicality and aesthetics. Acknowledgements. Mrs. Beggars, Mr. Lamb, Mrs. Taylor, Mr. Mrs. Miller, and John Wilson.